Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make notifications in Figma. First, begin by opening your Figma file and creating a new frame. This frame will serve as the foundation for your notification component. Next, design the visual elements, including the text, any relevant icons, and the background shape. It's crucial to ensure your notification conveys its message clearly and concisely, guiding your users effectively. Once your basic design is ready, group all the individual elements together to form a single, reusable component. This step is essential for maintaining consistency across your designs. Then, apply an auto layout to your component. This powerful feature helps manage spacing and ensures your notification adapts gracefully to different content lengths. Finally, define various states for your notification, like default and hover, to enhance interactivity. Now, let's bring your notification to life with prototyping. Connect your newly created notification component to a trigger element, such as a button or an icon. Set up interactions, for instance, an on-click event to either display or dismiss the notification. When defining your animations, consider using Smart Animate for incredibly smooth and professional-looking transitions. This makes the user experience much more engaging and intuitive. To ensure your notifications are effective, always follow best practices. Maintain consistent placement for all notifications throughout your user interface, typically at the top or bottom of the screen. Explore different notification types, such as success messages, error alerts, or warning banners, each with distinct visual cues. Crucially, always provide a clear and intuitive method for users to dismiss or interact with the notification, enhancing usability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.